Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by locking down your camera and lighting so frames match exactly. This prevents flicker and drift. Once done, transfer the entire photo sequence to your Mac and open Imovie. Make a new project and drag the photos into the timeline in order. This makes the frames contiguous. Then select all imported images and change each clip duration to a short value so motion reads as animation. This first step sets the frame rate and visual consistency you need. Now focus on timing and control. This is the detailed work that creates smooth motion. Select all images and pick a uniform short duration, such as 0. 1s, to approximate the FPS you want, tweak ranges to taste. Make sure Ken Burns is off and choose fit so frames don't shift. Use the timeline zoom and split clips to remove or duplicate frames for pauses or slow sections. These edits let you sculpt the movement and maintain visual continuity throughout. Finish by exporting your sequence. Choose Share File, pick 1080p and a matching frame rate like 24 or 30 FPS, select High Quality, and save as an MP4. Once exported, watch full screen to confirm smooth playback, because small timing problems are easier to spot this way. If you see stutter or flicker, go back and fix lighting, relock exposure on source shots, or remove misaligned frames. That one troubleshooting tip, consistent exposure and color, fixes most stop-motion issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.